Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to temporarily disable the fingerprint unlock in this device. So in this device I already enabled the fingerprint unlock. So on the lock screen you can see the fingerprint scanner you can see. Right. So let me show you now. I am going to unlock this one. You can see it is unlocked. So simply I will show you how to temporarily disable the fingerprint unlock in this device. So without delete that fingerprint, okay. For this simply go to settings and scroll down, tap on security and privacy. Now again scroll down, tap on screen lock and biometrics. So here we need to enter our screen lock, tap on continue. Now tap on the option fingerprint. So here you can see I added only one fingerprint. So without delete this one, we can temporarily disable this fingerprint unlock. For this, disable this option fingerprint unlock. Disable this one. Now let me show you. Now go to the lock screen. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is not there. It is disabled now. Now we can only enter our password. Right. So again I am going to enable this one. Fingerprint, turn on this option, lock screen. You can see the fingerprint lock is here, scanner. So simply in this way we can temporarily disable the fingerprint unlock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.